Hello, how are you? Hope you're doing well. So in this video, we're going to see that how we can manage the WordPress website, which is using the Elementor page builder. So first of like we have this simple website, and I'm going to show you that how we are able to change the images, text, and everything on this website. So for the website login, if there will be your website, and after that you need to put wp-admin. Okay, when you put wp-admin, you will log into to a user login page. Okay, so you just need to put your credentials, like what I've shared with you, or you already have the WordPress logins. So you just need to put your login password, and then you just need to click login, and you will enter in the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of the WordPress. So how you can go to the pages, and you can see all the pages which are created on the website. So if you want to, let me show you. First, we're going to edit the header, then we're going to edit the footer, and then we're going to edit the home page or the internal page. Okay, so when you hover over the edit with Elementor, you will see the Elementor header and Elementor footers. You just need to right click on it, and you need to open it in the next tab, or you can open it in the present tab as well. So in the header section, we don't have much things. Like we have the logo. You can change the logo size. You can change the logo width. You can here we have call the menu, and here we have the button that says call now. You can change the call now, and you can change the call now text and number and everything. Okay, so if you want to edit in footer, same case, you just need to hover over the edit with Elementor, and you just need to right click on it and open a new tab. And in the footer, you can do the following thing as well. Like you can edit, if you have an image, you can change the image. You can change these. We have added icon list here. So added the custom text and the links. So social media icons are there. You can add, delete, or remove these social media icons. And if you want to remove these or change these text, you can do that. You just need to click on it on the left side. You will see this text. You can do any kind of changes. Okay. So this is for the header and footer. And how we going to edit this page? Most importantly, how we can change the images and the text from this page. You just need to click edit with Elementor, and the Elementor backend will open, and you will see this is the backend of the Elementor. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you just need to click on it, and just need to if you want to change this text, just click on it. You will see this text is written here. You can simply click on it and change the text. If you want to change this text, just click on it, and on the left side you will see the text. I've created a form here. If you want to change anything in the form, you just need to change it. If you want to change the emails, you can do that. And like we have added image in the background, you just need to click on it, and you can change image from here. Same the case for the text. You just need to click on it. On the left side you will see text. This button is going to the about us page. So you just need to click on it, and on the left side you will see the text of this button, and the link of this button. And our properties, you just need to click on it. If you want to remove this lorem ipsum, you can do that. These are the call from the backend. And if you want to change this heading, this text and this number, you can do all that. I have added the frequently asked question. You just need, if you want to change this header, this headings, you can just click on it. On the left side you will see. And I have added the multiple FAQs. So this one is the title, and this one is the description. And if you want to change this, just click on it. The button is added, but you can change the button tags and everything. So this is pretty simple. And let me show you if you want to change the other pages. Like we want to change the about us. Okay, this is the about us. You just need to click edit with Elementor, and you will enter in the about us. The most important things, after doing all the changes, you need to update it. Okay, you just need to click update to save your changes. So this is the simple, pretty simple. Most of the time we just make tutorials for our clients that how going to change the text mostly, and for images if they are simple. And if you face any difficulty while changing the things, and if you think something got disturbed and website layout is disturbed, so you don't need to update it, you refresh that page and the previous page will come. And this is a pretty simple tutorial that how you're going to manage the website. If you have any further question, please contact us. Thank you very much for your time.